Nikki, and welcome to this week's new release video. This is going up on Friday instead of on Thursday night, but these actually released last night. So if you wanted to pick any of these up, they are up on the website now. Also, I broke another nail. It's way more obvious than the last one. Just try to ignore it. I'm gonna try to go get it fixed tomorrow. So this week we've got, what do we have? 5 new micro kits. We've got the Baby Yoda stickers that I actually released like 3 days ago, but I figured I'd throw them into this video. 2 new collections. Yeah, so let's just go ahead and get right into it. So I'm gonna start with the Baby Yoda stuff because that's just an individual sheet and then a micro kit. Also, the printers are going, it is the middle of like us working right now. Mike's out there foiling. So the first thing I've got here are the Baby Yoda stickers, and I am obsessed. And you guys seem to really like these as well. We've had so many orders come through for these. So these are glossy that I've got in my hand, but we also have got them with like matte removable. What a weird way to say that. On matte removable paper. I didn't do them on premium, so just glossy and matte removable. But yeah, so you've got Happy. This one just looks like he's like not having it. And then sad Baby Yoda, and then we've got Baby Yoda eating the frog. Again, sassy maybe Baby Yoda, and then happy. So yeah, these are so cute, I can't stand it. So I'm just using these in my planner to mark like when The Mandalorian comes out on Fridays, or if we're watching it on like Saturday or Monday. So yeah, that is the first thing. Those have been up for a couple of days just because it was one sheet. I went ahead and put them up. But I went ahead and did a micro kit as well. So I'm not gonna be releasing a full kit. My camera just beeped, which was weird. I thought it cut off, but it didn't. Anyway, so we're not gonna be releasing a full kit of this, and I'm gonna have to do something about the lights. But yeah, so we've got the Mandalorian here with Baby Yoda. It's a little bit difficult to see. That didn't help me turning the light off. I wonder why. There, maybe? Nah. Anyway, and then you've got Happy Baby Yoda up here. And yeah, I just did the micro kit. There wasn't really enough for me to do a full kit like this. If you want a full, like, large kit of Baby Yoda, Britton over at Bean Sprout Paper Co. did one, so go check hers out. But yeah, I wish I could get the foil to show right on this guy. Anyway, it's just gold foil. So yeah, that's the first micro kit. I guess I could go over what's in it because that's what I normally do. So you've got 2 full boxes. You've got your date covers over to the side. You've got your bow headers. There are 8 now. You've got some boxes, some flags, some heart checklist. And then on your second sheet, you've got your 3 heart checklist, weekly tracker, 2 daily trackers, 2 just heart little things. All of this is cut washi, and then you have got some boxes down at the bottom. I don't like that the nail I broke is the one that I like to point to stuff with. Anyway, so that is the Baby Yoda micro kit. Moving on to, I have 1 non-foiled kit this week, which is weird because it's been a while since I've released anything not foiled. So I'm gonna start with the one that is foiled. Hello, there we go. So I'm going to really quickly cut lights. Ooh, what just happened? That got like super yellow. I'm gonna cut lights off really quickly to show you guys the foiling, and then I will turn them back on and we can move on. So actually, now that the lights are off, there we go. It's a little bit better. Still kind of a glare. This light takes forever to turn off. Come on, guy. There we go. Okay, so this is called Galentines. I really love this. I wasn't gonna do another Valentine's related kit, but this is kind of an anti-Valentine's kit, and I wanted to use this one for the week before Valentine's Day. So I'm gonna show you guys both of the foiled sheets really quickly. So I did the quote box up top. It says, "Wine is my Valentine." I'm sure a lot of you guys can relate. Fries before, guys. We've got this little bow up here that's foiled. There's the hearts. I actually really like what they say. Like, they say like, nope, no chance, go away. We've got the girls like toasting, some donuts here, some balloons, boy bye on this candle, which is hilarious. And then the balloons here, which also just kind of say like some similar, actually no they don't, they say totally different stuff. Girls rule, dream on, wink wink, and hot stuff. And then down here I just did a arrow with the heart, which I thought was really cute. And then your bottom washi, I did the banners because I thought that it just like went together like super cute. So yeah, and then you've got your foiled date covers, and then your boxes up top have some foiling. You've got your second strips of the bow drop, and then you've got your weekly tracker. So that is the foiled sheets. And I'm gonna really quickly cut my lights back on. Okay, so the second sheet in the deluxe version of the kit, you've got your 3-heart checklist, your date numbers, you've got your icons, your scripts, and your movie marquee. Next is the same in both, well, technically both of these are now the same in both mini and deluxe. You've got your boxes, flags, appointment labels, quarter boxes, eighth boxes, half boxes. Next is also the same. You've got your little things, your washi, and then your glitter headers. So these 2 sheets are the same for both deluxe and mini now. Next, you've got your heart checklist, you've got your flags, your daily trackers, and then it would be back to your bottom washi, which I just took away. And then for your mini version of the kit, same full boxes. Your next sheet has, sorry, that's the alarm system. Mike must have just opened the door. There is the icons, you've got your scripts, you've got your heart checklist, and then your heart checklist like boxes. I don't know what to call that. Next is the same as it was in deluxe. You've got your half boxes, your labels. Next is also the same as it was in deluxe. You've got your little things, your cut washi, and your glitter headers. And then your last sheet for mini, you've got the same bottom washi, date number or date covers, your weekly tracker, and then 2 daily trackers, and then 1 foiled box over to the left. We are not doing B6 anymore. Oh, big thing to mention. I totally forgot to mention this. I'm trying something out this week where we do micro kits on premium mat. I don't know if we can keep doing it. I don't know how long it's gonna last, so don't get mad at me if next week we have to stop, but I'm gonna try it out for this week. So they're $1 more than the glossy micro kits. So regular for glossy is $7.50, so regular for premium will be $8.50. For the weekends, glossy is $5, so premium is $6. I'm gonna pull them probably premium after the weekend, so that might be how we end up doing it. Is premium will only be available during the like weekend release when they're also on sale. Also, I'm gonna have to look and see if we can actually keep offering these at the $5 and the $6 price, because looking at my numbers and seeing like what we're ordering for paper and stuff, I'm starting to think that we may have to up that. But I'll figure that out. But for right now, these are available on the website, both glossy and premium. $5 for glossy, $6 for premium, and I'm gonna pull premium on like Sunday night, Monday morning. And we'll see how it goes. But I keep getting requests for it, so we're gonna do it for right now. Okay, moving on. So the first one I've got here is Galentines 01. These did not get labeled correctly, so they both say Galentines 01. One is 01, one is 02. It is fixed on the website. It will be fixed on these sheets before they get mass printed, but I don't know which one is which for right now. So one is 1, one is 2. So I did the balloons and the arrows for one, and then, or for whichever one this is, and then for the others, I wanted it to be like the wine related, so it says wine is my Valentine, and then you've got the like girls toasting. So you've got your date covers, you've got your boxes here that have the foiling, your foiled headers. Actually, I just went over this format on Baby Yoda, so I'm just gonna kind of skip through. So your second sheet looks like this, and it is the same for both of the Galentines kits. And then, like I said, this one has the wine is my Valentine, and then the girls toasting. Super cute. I really, really, really like this one a lot. Okay, moving on. I've got a kit that's not foiled, and I did that because I finished it and I thought, where am I gonna put the foiling? Like, what am I gonna foil in this? Sent it over to my design consult team, Bianca, Kat, and Chris, and I asked, like, can I just leave this unfoiled? Like, do you guys think it looks okay? And they agreed that without foil was fine. So the micro kits do have foiling, and I'll actually show you guys those first. They do not have foiling in the full boxes though. They just have foiling in the regular areas, and that's because I didn't want to have to do a whole new, like, go through and like change everything here. Technically I could have, it would have been fine, but I thought that leaving the foiling here for this would be fine. So it's silver foiling on these for, let's see, are these labeled right? Yeah, for Binge Watch 1, you've got the wine glass and then the pajamas / slipper set. Here is your washi. I really love this. I love these colors. I love these patterns. I think it's really cute. For the second set, you've got the chill with like the feet and the couch. So this one is like super Netflix and chill. And then the other one is kind of more, in my opinion, like a me time, like relax night type thing. So yeah, and then there's the second sheet. So those are the 2 micro kits. I think I'm gonna keep doing 2 micro kits for each collection. You guys seem to like it, and I can normally not decide on boxes that I wanna do if it's just like 1 kit. So we'll probably keep doing that. Anyway, so here's the kit. Like I said, there's no foil, which is weird, but I could have done like simple foiling and thrown some on here, but there's so much going on. So you've got that full box that has the pajamas and the slippers, you've got your wine, you've got your couch, pizza and fries, ice cream and popcorn, another popcorn down here. I actually have socks that say this. If you can read this, bring me some wine. The chill box is down here, and then this cute little panda neck pillow, which doesn't really go, but it was so cute that I had to leave it in. So those are your full boxes, no foil. So the price is different on the kits that don't have foil. And I'm gonna have to pull it up because I don't remember what it is. Also, this is done differently now on the website. For micro kits, it says the regular price and then it has the markdown price. I think that's a little bit less confusing because coupons can't be used on the micro kits, so I did it that way. Okay, so let's look. So binge watch, okay, that's not helpful. The full box sheet. So these are also available just with full boxes, a la carte. So let's look. Okay, so the deluxe version of the kit non-foiled on glossy is $21. On premium, it is $24. And then for mini, it's $17.50 for glossy and $20 for premium, which I think is $3.50 a sheet maybe, I'm not sure. For the foiled kits, it is $24.50 for a glossy deluxe, so there's a pretty big price difference. $17.50 for the mini versus $19.50 for the foiled mini. Anyway, so yeah, the prices are a little bit different on the non-foiled. You guys let me know, do you want more non-foiled kits? Because a lot of the times I'll put foil into kits that I don't really think need it, just because you guys seem to prefer when there's foil. So you guys let me know. Anyway, so that was the full box sheet. Next, I'm not gonna go through all of this since I just did, but I am obsessed with these colors. Like, I love these colors. And also the patterns, like, I just love the patterns. So, ombre heart checklist, here is your bottom washi. You've got the floral, and then this is your other, and I love this too. And then this is what we did for the date covers. Since they don't have foil, the script is just white, which I am obsessed with as well. And then obviously there's just no foil up here. I really love how this turned out without foil. Here is your mini kit. So you've got your full boxes. I can't do anything with my hands. You've got your heart checklist and your scripts and your icons. This sheet right here. This sheet right here again with your little things, washi and glitter headers. And then your last sheet right here, which is the same essentially, except for the, what is that called? The daily trackers. So yeah, that is this week's new releases. I hope you guys love them. I really, really, really love this week's new releases. I have already like got next week's releases semi-done, and then I wanted to go ahead and mention for $2 Tuesday this week, this coming week, I believe what I'm gonna do is the scripts that I had talked about. I don't think I want to make these full sheets that are in the shop all the time, these scripts. I think I want to release them for $2 Tuesday, and then maybe we'll just bring them back like once a month. I want to do them really small. I like them really small because they're easy to tuck away in a planner. So I think that's what I'm going to do. You guys let me know. If you want them on larger sheets that are in the shop all the time, I'll do that. But I think for $2 Tuesday, doing the smaller ones would be great. And I do think we're going to do them on premium matte. So you guys let me know. Anyway, hope you guys love this week's new releases, and I will, oh my god, my nail looks so bad. I will talk to you guys next time. Bye guys.